Welcome back to InspectorPrime. I'm Jeff. In this tutorial, we're focusing on the contractor directory. So I'll show you everything that you need to know to create contractor profiles, store important contact details, add specialties, and use categories and tags to keep everything easy to find. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the contractor directory so that you can communicate and coordinate faster to keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. Let's get started. So here we are in the InspectorPrime Office database, and to get to our contract directory, we click on CRM, go down to Contractor Directory, and now we have listed out all the different contractors that maybe we've worked with in the past. So let's go ahead and click into one of these records to see some of the data that you can capture. So for Prime Pros Carpentry, you can set their status, active, pending, inactive, or blacklisted. You can drop a tag for the type of contractor they are. So we have them listed as carpenters, but you can add electricians and anything else that you may want to categorize them as. Add further tags, so maybe we work with them a lot, frequent partner, positive reviews, one-time job. And the purpose of all these tags, again, is so that you can search in the database, say, hey, I want to find somebody that I work with frequently. I'm going to search for that tag. Prime Pros Carpentry would show up. You can keep track if they are referring jobs to you for whatever reason by adding records for referrals, adding that right into the jobs that they're referring. That would track here, as well as office records. So let's say Prime Pros Carpentry gives you a call asking about a joint marketing campaign that they want to do for whatever reason. You could log that in here under office records. Also, before we exit out of this screen, so dropping their website URL into here will activate this button so that when you click on it, you can go directly to their website. So let's go ahead and add a new contractor so you can see that workflow. So up in the top right here, we're going to click on Add New Contractor. Give them a name. So we'll do Colorado Electricians. Say they're electricians. And add an address. And submit. Now let's go find, here's Colorado Electricians. Let's go ahead and open it up. And we can go ahead and add some more detail in here. So let's do, they're an occasional partner. InspectorPrime.com. See how that button activated at the top here. Add their mailing address if we want to, and just manage the relationship via this interface. So if you wanted to tie them to different jobs that you're working, or referrals, or office records, this is the spot to do it. So this is a pretty straightforward one. Again, just a good way to manage all the different contacts that you might have across your inspection business so that you can easily search for and find the folks that you want to work with. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for your time, and as always, thanks for being an InspectorPrime customer. I will see you on the next video.